Hi, I just completed a 3 full days course on video marketing by Ken Tay. He taught with transparency of what works in his video marketing, sharing with us several free tools such as how to create a Facebook cover, lead page and ads, YouTube and Instagram, the do's and don'ts that get you leads. He also taught us the use of features of WhatsApp Business that will help us organize and manage our business. As Ken himself is a property agent, what he taught was relevant, impactful, and he's sincere in imparting his skill to his trainees. He makes sure that we hands-on throughout this training and address all our doubts. At the end of the training, he even challenged us to do a testimonial video. Thus, this video will testify the effectiveness of his teaching. Ken, thank you for being a good coach, a passionate trainer, and selfless in sharing. To others who is looking for such course, must sign up for he is good. I am Doreen, his trainee. Bye.